Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'd like to introduce you a simple yet refreshing Japanese dish called cucumber and seaweed vinegar salad. This light and tasty side dish combines thinly sliced cucumber and rehydrated seaweed with a mildly sweet vinegar dressing. It's perfect as a palate cleanser or even as a snack to accompany your favorite drink. Let's give it a try! Thinly slice the cucumber and add salt and massage it into the slices. Let the cucumber sit for about 10 minutes. Then rinse under running water and squeeze out the excess liquid. Rehydrate the wakame seaweed according to the package introduction and drain well. In a bowl, combine cucumber, wakame, and crab and vinegar and sugar. Adjust the taste with salt, transfer to the serving dish, and sprinkle with white sesame seed. Feel free to adjust the seasonings to your liking. This recipe results in a light and delicious vinegar salad. While we add crab meat this time, you can also try adding ham or octopus for a tasty variation. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and refreshing cucumber and seaweed vinegar salad that's perfect for any occasion. This dish showcases the beauty of simple Japanese cooking, where just a few ingredients can create a truly delightful experience. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try at home. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!